In this video I will discuss with you what causes Google CAPTCHA failed and how to solve this problem. Before solving this problem, stay with me for 2 or 3 minutes and watch the full video. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then subscribe the channel immediately and make sure to press the bell notification so that every new video reached you first. The first and foremost reason for Google CAPTCHA failed is whether it has been faced while registering any account or logging into any account. When you register any account or log into your account, you must type the IDs, passwords correctly. Or if you have saved the IDs, passwords for your account, please enter it correctly or carefully. After that, when you click on I am not reboot, Google shows you some images to select. Enter the CAPTCHA. Number 1, here you make a mistake. That mistake is, when you are doing CAPTCHA selection entrance, the selection entrance of images is not done properly and CAPTCHA timeout. And the Google CAPTCHA show a message, timeout. So here is a place where you have done mistake to selecting the Google CAPTCHA. Now you have to solve this problem. Here you have to wait for 1 minute or wait as much as Google allow you, and after wait for 1 minute it will be unchecked here, and when a red stripe shows here, you have to select Google CAPTCHA correctly again, then this problem will be solved. Remember, always you have to click the correct images from given images very carefully, so you will never face this problem. Number 2, now the second and foremost issue that comes is internet issue. Sometimes you face internet issue whether you are using broadband via internet or mobile internet 4G or 5G. If you have internet problem while using broadband via internet, then restart it or turn on into airplane mode and then turn off it. And if you are using mobile internet 4G or 5G, turn off and then turn on it. This will fix your Google CAPTCHA problem. If you think that you have got enough information because of this video, then please like and share the video. Thanks for watching.